everyone, today in Energy on the Ground we are diving into a detailed guide on how to replace the Rodas battery, that elusive and well hidden component. So let's get started. And what do we need besides our hands?
Well, we need some cups of this. This one is 6 mm and the other is 10 mm. Okay, handler. Screwdriver Y. Although we know that the battery cables are here. We know that the battery is here. Okay, so come on, let's take it off first. The cover, the front cover. Okay, that's the half cover. What's the bottom? The top is not needed. Okay. We see that there are two long screws. They are this one, and the two below are two shorter screws. Okay, this one below is here, it's shorter, so we don't get it wrong. Okay, look, this B is shorter. And the other one's here. And well, with this, by removing the cover, we will now have access to the battery. Come on, look, there is the cover outside, and here we have the battery, which in this model is a lithium-ion battery. Okay, come on. Lithium ions will remove. Well, look, you know one thing, before taking off the strap, we're going to take off what I had. I was leaving very quickly. Let's first remove the negative of the battery with the 6 mm wrench. We put our finger under here so that the nut doesn't fall out, because since it is a vertically mounted battery, EH, here I already have the screw, the cable already, I have it removed and I put it back where it is so that I don't lose the nut. We are going to hold this broth down a little bit there so that it is not going to stick to it in the negative when I am manipulating the positive here, okay? It is not necessary to hold it because the nut does not fall off. Okay, look, I've already removed it there and we're going to put the nut back in so we don't lose it. Gee, come here there. Well, we already have offline, positive, negative. First order is that, huh? We remove the negative first and then the positive. In this way, with the tool, if we glue with iron or something, we are not going to cause a short circuit by having the negative connected. And now we do take out the fastening strap, which is this one that goes there to a rod. Okay, look, you don't need anything else to dry the battery alone. It's super simple, and this is the battery. Del Roda, a battery that we can read here, is worth mentioning that it is lithium ions 12 volts, 19.5 watt hours. That is a very powerful battery, mind you. Small, but enough to give it its first life at startup. We're going to assemble it again and we already know how to do it. Positive up, negative. Below we put it in its place, that's it. And we are going to place the perfect strap, the twist of the strap that will hold the battery in position. We have the 10 wrench, the 10 mouth and the 10 wrench. Well, here we go, it's very fast, there we have it, and now we place the 6 key, again the 6 cup that I have here. Look, come on, first of all go to the top to place the positive, wait for me to take the screw here, the washer stays here, there is worth the fact. Do you see it easy? Easy, easy, easy. If this gets in the way, we retract it back a little and hook it there. Here, we put on the perfect little cap and we're going to put on the negative. Let's put the little hand under it, the finger, so that the nut doesn't fall off. Okay, look at what speed this is placed. We tighten it perfectly and cap its places now. What else do we do? Put the lid on, okay? You can see this is simple. Next long screw up. Whoa, there's short screw down. Okay, and short screw down. The last one we have left. Do you see it easy? Important that I forgot to tell you before starting the task of removing covers, removing battery, etc. First thing, look, I already had it done, okay? Is to come here and disconnect the battery. Do you see that? This is the battery cables to connect it. We remove this, okay? And we can connect the battery. I'm sorry I removed it here so it wouldn't get in my way. Okay, look, okay. And we could connect battery 1. We connect the battery, completing the setup with the generator fully operational. If you're curious to learn more, visit Genergy TAS, where you'll find comprehensive details about open inverters like Rhodes, Faros, and Cretans, contact options, and detailed technical resources await. The technical sheets and even the manuals and explode. And of course the telephone numbers of my colleagues, my telephone number, my email, everything at your disposal for your queries. And also, as I always tell you, it is forbidden to stop learning.